This series explores common recreational places found in a city. It introduces the English names and typical features of various city places such as park, cinema, theater, museum, zoo, and gym. A park is a public green area in a city where people go to relax, exercise, and enjoy nature. Parks usually have trees, grass, benches, walking paths, and sometimes playgrounds for children. They provide fresh air, outdoor activities, and a space for community gatherings. A cinema is a building where people watch movies on a large screen together. Cinemas have comfortable seats, a projector, a big screen, and sound systems that create an immersive experience. They are popular places for entertainment and socializing with friends and family. A theater is a building designed for live performances like plays, musicals, and concerts in front of an audience. Theaters have a stage, seating, lighting, and sound equipment that create an engaging atmosphere. Theater performances bring stories to life and connect people through shared cultural experiences. A museum is a permanent, nonprofit place that collects, conserves, and displays objects of historical, cultural, or scientific importance. Museums are open to the public and aim to educate, inspire, and provide enjoyment. They help preserve heritage, share knowledge, and foster community understanding. A zoo is a place where wild animals are kept in enclosures for public viewing, conservation, and education. Zoos often create habitats that resemble animals' natural environments. Modern zoos focus on animal care, research, and raising awareness about wildlife preservation. A library is a place that collects, organizes, and provides access to books and other resources for reading, study, and research. Libraries support education, self-development, and recreational reading for people of all ages. They offer quiet study areas, digital access, and community programs to promote lifelong learning. Public spaces are areas open and accessible to all people without charge, such as parks, squares, streets, and waterfronts. These spaces provide places for social interaction, cultural events, recreation, and community activities. Well-designed public spaces are safe, comfortable, and support activities for people of all ages and backgrounds. Public transportation consists of shared transit services such as buses, trains, subways, and trams. These systems operate on fixed routes and schedules to help people move within the city. Public transportation reduces traffic congestion and pollution, and it provides affordable travel options. It connects people to jobs, education, and essential services, enhancing quality of life and sustainability. Community facilities are places where people gather for recreational, social, educational, or cultural activities. Examples include sports centers, libraries, playgrounds, community gardens, youth centers, and event halls. These facilities help build social connections, encourage active lifestyles, and support the well-being of the community.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.